Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to set a payment pin on OPay. You're going to learn how you can be able to create and activate a payment pin on your OPay account using the OPay mobile app. Setting a payment pin on OPay secures every payment that you make on the app, including transfers, bill payments, scans and withdrawals. The payment pin is separate from your login password and is designed to stop unauthorized transactions even if someone gets into your phone. This guide walks you through a clear step-by-step process to set your OPay payment pin, plus practical tips and what to do if something goes wrong. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. Now the first step you have to take now is to log in into your OPay account. You have to tap on your OPay app to open it up. So let me tap on my OPay app to open it up right away. You can see my OPay app is opening. So once your OPay app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on your OPay profile icon, the me icon. You can see it down there at the bottom right, the me icon. So let me go ahead now to tap on the me icon. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it down there. Let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take right there now is to tap on the settings icon. You can see it right there at the top right corner. So let me tap on the settings icon. Then what you have to do right here now is to tap on the first option, which is payment settings. You can see it up there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Right here is the next step. So what you simply have to do is to tap on where you can see set payment pin. You can see it there at the top. So let me tap on it. Here's the next step. It says verify login password. They said please enter your login password. Like I said, your login password is different from your payment pin. So this step is to verify that you actually own this account. So let me go ahead now to input my login password to verify I'm actually the owner. You can see I'm inputting it. You can see now it's verifying. Then right here is the next step. It says set your 4-digit payment pin. The payment pin must contain number which cannot be repeated or consecutive. So guys, the number you're going to input, the pin you're going to use, make sure the numbers are not repeated and they are not consecutive. So let me go ahead now to input my own 4-digit payment pin. Like I said, this is the pin that you're going to be using to authenticate transactions. So let me input it real quick. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me go ahead now to input my pin. Then let me go over to the second place, which is confirm payment pin. Let me type it in again to confirm it. You can see guys, it's verifying now. Wow guys, you can see what's written there, payment pin set up successfully. So guys, now you can see this is how you can be able to set up your payment pin on OPay. This is how you can be able to activate your OPay payment pin successfully. So guys, I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.